said, let's start a band. And we put a band together. Hugh Grundy was our drummer.
In your mind, could you ever be really close to me?
I heard Colin sing, I mean that's the thing, and I thought, my goodness, you know, what a great voice. He says, you've got to do all the singing.
They were looking for new bass players, so I went along to rehearsals, and that's when we started doing three-part harmonies.
The band got together, I believe you entered a battle of the bands.
We did, yeah.
And the prize was a Decca recording contract.
Yeah.
And you won.
We did win, and we were really, really surprised. As I remember it, we were talking to our then producer, Ken James, and he said, you know, you could always write something for this session. Rod picked up on it, and he went away and wrote this song.
It all happened so quickly. It was happening before we even realised it.
18 years old, you know, and we had the number one in this hallowed land in America. It was fantastic.
And Selena went on to sell nearly 1 million copies.
All of a sudden we found ourselves with a record on the charts, tours to do and interviews to give.
That first 3 years on the road, we were preparing for Odyssey and Encore. It all came together on that album.
We'd heard that sound had been knocked out. It was revolutionary. It was really a mature, progressive way of looking at what you could do with a pop song.
We were in Abbey Road, which was undoubtedly the best studio in the world at that time. We were recording with Jeff Emmerich, who had just been recording with the Beatles.
John Lennon got the Mellotron in the studio, which he didn't take away. So I just jumped on it and just used it.
People like Al Cooper, Paul Weller, Dave Grohl, and Tom Petty, they quote it as being influencing on them.
It is a classic LP, and there is no better sounding record to this day.
By the time the season was a hit, it was 18 months after we'd recorded it.
The irony is that the originals of this were only actually professional for 3 years.
And let me tell you, when you're on stage, the feeling is absolutely no different to when you were 18 years old. It really isn't.